L'écoute.
It dey happen here. Mercy Lambo, that girl for Big Brother Naija, don't go buy G-Wagon of 100 million. No be me talk am o, na wetin dey talk. And she sef agree say na 100 million take buy am. All these female entertainers wey una for dey see money. Small thing dem say their fans don build house for them. Their fans don buy motor for them. Where una for dey see fans? Okay, e come be like say people wey go school wey graduate with first class now, e come be like say to go school now na bad thing. Come be like sufferhead. Graduate from University of Benin last week, first class graduate, they give am 25,480 and 4 tie with 3 stockings and 4 shoe. Nothing again. But person wey just go Big Brother because he get uku and he no work finish. House full everywhere, cars full everywhere. What does that show to you? It shows that e good make you go school, but Mara, learn hard work. Because no work for this country. As me and you dey talk now, even Ministry of Work no get work. Nengi which dey here? Nengi go open her 4th house for Abuja. Wait oh, but why be saying na so women dey succeed for this entertainment? Their fans give them house, their fans give them car 100 million, they build house 800 million. Me don dey do video for this Facebook. I don dey shout, dey talk about wetin we dey face for the country for years now for this road. Jack I no get, even wheelbarrow they no buy for me. Keke they no buy for me. Nothing they buy for me. Abi I no get fans. Negi, Messi, AK, Abi Mercy Lambo. Where una for the see fans? More na cut fans for me, I beg. Because my own, anytime my fans see me sef, na me they even give them. They say, Pastor James, I don't to watch your video. I bet maybe you give me small thing when I take subscribe, they watch you. But all these women, now their own fans, they buy their house. Well done, fantasy. Now only female actors, they get fans. Male actors, where they work hard. I don't work on name. I know of how many male actors for this country when they see money, they shop. But they're very popular. Nothing to show. Do you know what that shows? It shows that now the same men where you go beg money, where go tell you say they don't get money, now then go give women money. If you don't know this country, the dream of every Nigerian is to leave Nigeria. Also, this one our country. As me and you they talk onto the other news. Twitter headquarters now. They don't carry enter Ghana. Twitter headquarters, I mean African headquarters, very large headquarters, is now in Ghana. Why people call the talk say why Twitter no carry their headquarters come Nigeria as well? If now you get Twitter, so you go bring carry come Nigeria. Make the country of insecurity. The same Twitter where they say during SARS, Nigeria government they go sue them, say because they give the youth right to exercise their right. Country where we never get freedom of speech finish. Now Twitter will agree carry their headquarters come Nigeria. In case you don't know the importance of that Twitter, as soon as the Twitter headquarters come Nigeria, it will give the youth more accessible way to information, and it will give the youth more freedom. And another thing, another better factor, it will bring about employment opportunities for the youth. If you don't know, all those bloggers where they found say there's a big blog, so work for don't day for them. But no, they go choose Ghana, and now they complain. Light they did this country. May they choose the country so that they go even this country where we say you go pay for light you no go see. May they come Nigeria, may they come kidnap them. Anyway, good news. As Twitter no come Nigeria, now Pornhub. Cause say they want make a University of Ibadan as their headquarters. Oh, Twitter, you left us. Now Grace, I go say you make Pornhub come Africa now, University of Ibadan now, be waiting. And Ibadan people they jubilate, say thank God, finally Pornhub don't come Ibadan. Also, sometimes if I just think about what they happen for this country, I go say, Baba God, who will offend? Twitter, where they very informative. Where if you say go better the life of the people, where go make the society turn around in a good way. You know, they no agree on. Now Pornhub, Where they for the chat, hey, hey, right on, kill me, oh, that's it, yeah, hey, hey, hello, 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 hello. If you don't know what it be Pornhub, that one they call blue film. They don't carry their African headquarters now. Say they won't carry and come University of Ibadan. Okay, why University of Ibadan? Okay, they will teach them for class. Meaning, if they fit carry the headquarters come in Ibadan, I be say if you dey 100 level, you fit do the course now. Pornhub 101. Say man, I just failed out my Pornhub course. So they say, man, now because you don't get better soundtrack, you know they give better soundtrack during work. Oswald. Now that kind of country now we did. I beg you, Mona do na best. Mona no gree make that Pornhub come here. Because we dey talk now say values don't they die. Women no longer value their body. Those days, the dignity of women now to cover their body. But now, in fact, now we dey even shame for them. Then now why you go see music video, man go wear full cloth as I wear so, woman go open body, and now the man get the song go. You the naked for another person video also. Wear shirt and they fear you. I say go wear shirt. You the naked for another man video and the man wear shirt. Now they happy they Pornhub don't come Nigeria. Those of una where be say una don't make up una mind say una more dey expose una body. More una go register for the Pornhub for Ibadan now. Federal government and Ministry of Information. Like Mohammed, you go the talk say now because in Nigeria no dey patriotic, now make Twitter no come. Okay, Nigeria they patriotic now. Now make Pornhub come abi. I know say many of una go happy say Pornhub come because if they give una chance, all these are politicians una will go at them. Come on, this thing from my eye, no man is God, they fear you. Twitter run, come on from Nigeria. Buhari run, though they say don't come back. Aisha Mohammed, our first lady, Iran. Now I say make me stay the country. My brother, the dream of every Nigerian is to leave Nigeria. Make me safe. Run, God, my papa run, my mama run, my sister run, Pastor Jane run.